Hi everyone, welcome to RsN Hospitality, and today we are going to share some essential tips for running a successful restaurant. Whether you're a restaurant owner, manager, or aspiring to be one, these tips will help you improve your operations and customer satisfaction. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about setting clear expectations. Effective planning and communication are key. Make sure all your team members know what is expected of them in every situation and how they can achieve the desired results. Next, create a positive work environment. A happy team leads to happy customers. Encourage open communication, value your employees, and provide opportunities for career growth. This will boost morale and productivity. Focus on customer satisfaction. Always aim to exceed customer expectations. Train your staff to handle dietary issues, last-minute reservations, and complaints professionally. A positive customer experience is crucial for repeat business. Another important tip is to know your niche. Understand your market and what makes your restaurant unique. Develop a plan to attract your target audience and create a memorable dining experience. Invest in quality staff. Hire experienced and passionate individuals. Provide them with the necessary training and tools to succeed. Remember, your staff is the face of your restaurant. Don't forget about financial management. Keep a close eye on your profit and loss statements. Make informed decisions about menu pricing, inventory management, and cost control to ensure profitability. Leverage technology. Use modern POS systems, online reservation platforms, and social media to streamline operations and enhance customer engagement. Lastly, promote your restaurant. Use social media, local advertising, and loyalty programs to attract and retain customers. A strong marketing strategy can significantly boost your restaurant's visibility and reputation. That's it for today. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions or need more information, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and here's to your restaurant's success.